Welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, we're exploring the 5 best free audio converter software for Windows to help you easily convert your audio files into different formats. Now let's get started. Number 1, Free Audio Converter. This software allows you to convert audio files into popular formats like MP3, WAV, and WMA quickly and easily. It has a simple interface, making it perfect for beginners who want fast and hassle-free conversions. Number 2, Zamzar Audio Converter. Zamzar is an online audio converter that works directly from your web browser without installing any software. It supports a wide range of file formats, which makes it a convenient choice for quick and flexible audio conversions. Number 3, Freemake Audio Converter. This tool lets you convert multiple audio files at the same time, saving you valuable time and effort. It also supports various output formats and provides an easy-to-use interface suitable for everyday users. Number 4, Hamsterfree Audio Converter. This program features a clean layout and supports batch conversion, allowing you to convert several files at once. Its simple navigation makes the entire conversion process smooth and beginner-friendly. Number 5, Wavespeed Audio Converter. Wavespeed Audio Converter is known for its fast processing, speed, and support for multiple audio formats. It is lightweight and efficient, making it a great option for Windows users who need quick results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.